Today I'm trying out my camera. The camera I'm using is an Apeman A77. I got it last Christmas when I got into YouTube. The bracket on the handlebars was really easy to set up. I'm gonna go home and check out the footage. I've checked out the footage and it's not great. The camera only seems to focus on one thing and everything around it is all glitchy. That could be my fault, but I'm going to do a few more tests so I can see whether the camera's good or not. Like this bit, I was supposed to be testing out the sound and I probably had the mic turned off. This is the sound when I talk on the Apeman, compared to the phone camera I normally use. I'm going to probably do another video in the next few weeks to see if I can get more out of the camera. It turns out the footage is better than I thought. Maybe the files don't look great when you transfer them to the laptop. Looked a lot better when I was editing and when it went through an optimizer. I'll still probably do some more tests in another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.